How to change AI model in Perplexity AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Perplexity AI and log into your account. Then on the left side, you will find your profile. Simply click on your profile, then click on all settings. You can only change AI model if you have subscribed to Perplexity AI. Now in here, you'll find AI model below subscription. Click on it and you'll find different options. Simply select the one you prefer. After you have done that, you can simply ask the AI any question and search anything in here. And this is how to change AI model in Perplexity AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.